honky-tonk music down in here. You're just a growing boy, an underfed pup. Delilah's got the recipe to fatten you up. It takes a lot of nutrition to feed a growing boy. Yeah, he's a growing boy, a lamb gone astray. He needs a little feed to help him find his way out there, get him into condition, 'cause he's a growing boy. Come try my pecan pie, my brandy and candy yams, and when he reaches for my peaches, I'll say, eat 'em up, down to the pit, then you can try my baked ham. Now try my biscuits, please, my ground roast of pork, down there with my eclair, honey, I swear, you ain't gonna need no fork. Down here, you got a permission, but you're well. If it ain't come out from the south, how's it hanging for you, hon? Done any good mall openings lately?
That's it! I'm ready to learn you to tell me what I feel about you stupid backstage! Enough! Damn nation, this is supposed to be my wedding day. Now, Daddy, we done talked about this. And Mama Buttercup, you promised Magnolia you'd be as sweet as a little old pecan pie today.
He started it.
I did! I did not! Now, Bo, you know that the only thing I care about, boy, is seeing you happy. Of course, if you was to change your mind and decide to marry up with some other little old gal, well, that would make me a happy man, too. What do you say? Ain't too late to reconsider. Change your mind and make your old man's day.
Daddy, I love you. God only knows why. And I respect your feelings. I know the last couple of years have been hard on you. What with your career having about as much life as well, dried cow pies. But I'm going to marry the woman I love, Magnolia Augusta Ganilla McCoy.
Ganilla? Named after my mama, Ganilla McCoy. Y'all got a problem with that? No, it's got beautiful names. Beautiful names. Did I hear someone? Mama? I thought she was feeling right for it. I wasn't going to make it to the wedding.
Gal, I've been in the Marines for 20 years. You think I was going to miss my little grandbaby getting hitched? Sitting in the holler, a-fretting and a-fussing. So I called that there scooter store. Especially since he's getting hitched to that misbegotten spawn of Satan himself.
Oh.
Shit!
Jesus Christ on a crutch! Are you people out of your cotton picking, pea picking minds? This is supposed to be a wedding, not a honky-tonk brawl. Get off of me. Show some class, why don't you? And you back that sucker up. Good song or something. You ready? Okay, go ahead. Lady! Okay, it's looking like this thing.
say good